Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yan, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa lahat. Gusto ko lang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan ng aking kaibigan. Happy birthday sa'yo, Babe Psycho. Ayan, wish you all the best. May all your wishes come true. Ano pa? Stay healthy, stay safe. Stay beautiful. Ayun, sana ayan, magpakabait ka na. Bawasan ng pagmamaldita at pagiging toyoin. Ayan, coming from me, okay? Ayan, happy birthday. Ayan, God bless and I love you.
Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, Psycho ng Imo or Jason. Happy birthday sa'yo, Master. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas madami pang buhay and sana makamit mo lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo. And sana matupad nyo ni Khaled lahat ng future na plano ninyong dalawa. And ang dami kong sana. Ayan, sana magkabibi na kayo and maging ninang na kami. And mahal kita, mahal ko kayong mga CEO. Especially kayong tatlo, Psycho, Angelica, and Jess. Ayan, naway. Mag-iingat ka palagi, Master. See you soon, inshallah. Ayan. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi everyone again. Hi mahal kong Psycho. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and sana this time positive na. Mag-positive na kasi yun yung hinihintay namin para sa'yo. And masaya kami sa'yo kasi finally nag-meet na kayo ni Khalid and nakatikim ka na ng totoong Jerjer and nakakita ka na ng lato-lato. Ayun lang, happy birthday and sana palagi kang masaya kasi masaya kami pag masaya ka rin. Lagi kang mag-iingat and mahal na mahal ka namin. And thank you din kasi nagkaroon ng CEO, merong Ruth na makulit, na walang hiya, na plastic. Nagkaroon ng Jess na makulit, maganda, and then bully. And syempre hindi mawawala ang anghel nyo. Thank you kasi nabuo at nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan dahil din sa'yo. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang to araw na to. Enjoy every moment that you have. And ayun lang, sana kahit anong problemang dumating sa inyo or sa'yo, makayanan mo. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More candles to blow. Alam mo na kung ano isusunod mong i-blow. Ayun lang, happy birthday and I love you, mahal ka namin. Yun lang, bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.